Hold on! Ooh, ooh, ooh! Oh, did you see that?
Green!
Alright. And the bell under his chin. Now watch, and he's going to do an auto shot.
Let's play again soon. Bye-bye.
Soon.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Come on, Ethan.
What it is? To steal. Wait! I haven't told you what it is yet. Hey, Dave, listen up, please.
Okay, I'm out of here.
Meanwhile, the nightmares multiplied. They spread. They generated new demons, even more terrifying than before.
I'm Barney. Hey there. I'm Barney. I'm Barney. I'm... It's a tiger! Run!
No, Angelina, don't do it! No, put it down. Angelina! Ooh, Angelina! You drew in the frog. That's it.
Bye, guys! Whoop, whoop, whoop. It's the Umi alarm. Bot's belly screen.
Take a closer look. To join the adventure in this book? What does that even mean? Mike!
Oh gosh, that wouldn't be very polite.
Fluttershy was angry and turned into a huge, super strong monster.
Are you kidding me? I mean, I know you're evil and everything, but you'd hurt a teensy little harmless firefly? Really?
Why don't you pick on somebody else?
All your help with Maymay's costume, guys. See you at the next costume party. Bye-bye. Awesome, wasn't it, guys? See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye.
Are denying. Who cares if a few trees are dying? This is all gratifying. How bad? How bad can this possibly be?
Touch. The desk is... Oh no, the desk is running out of power. Please ask your parent to change the batteries.
Goodbye.
Duma.
I'm Larry! Get the hell out of here!
Good dog, Ruff. Here's your bone. Ready? Go get it, Ruff.
Okay, bye, baby. Oh no! That big, grumpy water monster is trapping your friends in a cage. That's the Loch Ness Monster. She doesn't like it when people are happy and having fun.
This is awful! Now Little Red Monster's friends can't play and have fun anymore.
Poor music monsters. They're sad. Goodbye.
See you next time. Let's turn it off.
See you next time.
Farewell, hippo fans.
Let's turn it off.
See you next time.
Farewell, Grumpy Bear.
Whoa! Can you believe that? I mean, that was so awesome! I can't believe it! I mean, this is great! Never in all my days did I think I could get something like that! I realize now that it's not about what makes the girls tick. It's about the fact that once again, the day is saved thanks to the Powerpuff Girls! Woo!
If the Powerpuff Girls would have just saved the day.
Subscribe now! Please subscribe! Subscribe! Subscribe now! Please subscribe! 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 Subscribe now! Please subscribe! Subscribe!
Elephant? Oh no! Hickory dickory dock, the elephant went up the clock.
Hickory dickory dock.
I love animals. Elephants from India. I love animals.
Zebras from Africa.
I love animals. Pandas from China.
A dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
I'm a hungry herbivore.
elephant?
Plants are what I'm hungry for.
Oh,
I
no!
don't eat insects, don't eat critters.
Hickory
Just give me some of
dickory
them
dock.
fern fritters.
The
When you're a
elephant went
hungry
up the
herbivore,
clock.
The world is full of food. I always follow this simple rule. If it's green, it's good. Wahoo!
Hickory dickory dock.
'Cause that's our food.
Oh! Oh no! Hickory dickory dock.
For visiting the animals at Number Butterflies. Thank you for visiting the animals at Number Zoo today. Well done for counting all the way to 20. See you again soon. Bye!